the conventional firecrackers which we are using in various festivals and especially during Diwali time, it releases lot of pollutants into the environment, and 4 major compounds which are released in the environment include sulfur dioxide, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide and particulate matter. But the amount of particulate matter is very high after the bursting of the firecrackers, and especially on the day of during Diwali, on the day of Diwali, there will be more than double level of particulate matter in the place where firecrackers are burst. For example, in Delhi last year, in the before Diwali month, the level of PM 2.5 was 200 microgram per cubic meter, and on the day of Diwali, the level of particulate matter was 400 microgram per cubic meter, and it persisted for entire month of November. This level of particulate matter persisted. So what will be the impact of this particulate matter and other pollutants and heavy metals and hazard chemicals and gases which are released by these conventional firecrackers on human health? Is there really any impact on the human health? Yes. What is the impact? So many surveys are being conducted. This survey was conducted in Mumbai city, survey is conducted in Kolkata city, survey was also conducted in Delhi city, and the doctors found that there is drastic rise in the number of patients having problems with the respiratory system. For example, asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, the number of these patients drastically rose after Diwali. And how much is the rise in the patients in Gurgaon? More than 120% rise in the patients having asthma and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease. In Delhi, more than 63% rise in the patients. In Kolkata, more than 50% rise in the patient. So there obviously there will be very high and negative impact of the conventional firecrackers on human health. So we have to be very cautious while using the conventional firecrackers.